we have calculated the depreciation of the rupiah at close to the current level. So my budget is still okay, even the rupiah is weakening to the current level.
Selamat siang semua, saya atas nama Jessica dari televisi Al Jazeera. Saya ada pertanyaan untuk Bapak Menteri Purbaya. Saya akan pakai bahasa Inggris karena ini untuk Al Jazeera Inggris. Dari Al Jazeera.
Al Jazeera,
Al Jazeera Inggris. My question is about the broader economic situation in Indonesia at the moment, particularly the depreciation of the rupiah. And I wonder at the moment, do you have concerns about the impact of this depreciation, particularly on low-income households? Thank you.
What is the impact of weakening currency rupiah to our economy? On budget side, we have calculated the depreciation of the rupiah at close to the current level. So my budget is still okay, even the rupiah is weakening to the current level. And theoretically, when you have a strong economy, your currency eventually will strengthen also, right? Now, I'm now focusing on making sure that domestic economy will continue to grow strong in the midterm, in the near term, and in the longer term. That will eventually strengthen the currency almost automatically, because I believe investors, especially FDI and foreign investors, will like to invest in a country where the country offers the most promising growth. In the region, we are growing much faster than many countries. Even in G20, we are number 2 after India. So our economic prospect is strong, and the weakening rupiah has not created a dampening effect on our economic activities. And if you take a look at Bloomberg and Al Jazeera, the news said that the U.S. and Iran and Israel are very close to make a deal, right? So the prospect of a peace, a global condition is there. I believe in 2 or 3 months it will be much better than it is now, meaning that the disturbance that to some extent weaken the rupiah will be gone also. So that means stronger economic growth, also stronger rupiah. And in the short run, we are trying to support the banking, the central bank, by also intervening in the bond market to ensure that the yield do not increase too significantly. Why we do that? To make sure that the foreign investor that hold a domestic bond right now is not experiencing what we call capital loss. That also will deter them from bringing their money abroad, right? So basically, we are creating a close coordination with the central bank to make sure that the finance sector condition remain strong and stable. And with good cooperation, I believe eventually we'll be able to restore confidence toward the rupiah. Thank you.
Kecepatan informasi dan akurasi data adalah komitmen kami. Satu langkah lebih dekat, satu langkah lebih terpercaya. Saksikan Sapa Indonesia Malam di Kompas TV Channel 11 di televisi Anda.